Come on out of there. Come on out. I want to question you gnomes. That's the problem with these gnomes. They're always sleeping. Oh, they're wanted. That's a notorious gnome gang. The Hell's Gnomes. And they're nothing but trouble. I will love you and hug you and pet you. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-chia. I will name you Ralph. You looking at me like I'm weird? Come on. Good morning. We're out on the trail. I'm wasting no time. We have started lap 1. Pretty foggy out today. You can see the sun is coming up. So we're just gonna do our 5 laps and be done with it. We turn y'all around. Let's go. All right. I am going to reduce the length of these videos. I'm going to speed them up even more because there's just no interest anymore. The views are terrible. What's happening is I'm sitting there until noon editing and I'm not getting any other things done. So we're going to speed these dudes up because there's no interest on them. Not the numbers I need to make them worth it, but I still want to do them every day because I want to document it. So until I see the numbers increase on the views, we're going to keep them short. And I don't blame people. Would I watch a video like this? No. Boring. I want to watch somebody walk around in circles. But I want to document this. So we're going to do it anyway. If y'all want to watch it, it's there. If not, hey, we're going to try to do some other content on the channel as well. I don't know what that would be yet, but we'll see. Whew. Yep. Well, there's Miss Tilly. Miss Millie is MIA again this morning. Don't know where she's at. And I'm skipping the dumbbells today. Got to give you my arms a day of rest. Because I do feel it. Well, there's Miss Livy. Yeah, YouTube is strange, man. Your views a lot of times, you know, are based on your title of your video, your thumbnail. And if you can't think of something that's going to draw extra people in, you don't get any views. And the truth of the matter is, subscribers are a very, very small percentage of views. Like less than 10%. So you're constantly coming up with different thumbnails and titles trying to draw in new viewers, and most of them viewers will never subscribe, but that's where you get your views from. Not that I'm real concerned about it, but I don't want to be spending half my day editing videos that aren't going to get any views, if you get that. All right. Otherwise, we'll just do it twice a week or something. I don't know how I'd work that. Whew. I'll figure it out. It is a weird kind of video to put out. They have a very short shelf life, I guess. That's all right. I've got to get in and do some work this week, because this weekend we're going down in the 20s. Yeah, these warm days are over. Are you just following right along? Yeah, you are. Come on. You're my loyal walking partner. Everyone else just barks at me. So yeah, we'll just cut them down to about 8 to 10 minutes. See how that works. I'm not real worried about it. Like I said, I want to keep them simple, so I can spend my time doing other things. I have plenty of work that needs to be done. Or I can wait and just put these up in the evening. I don't know. It'll all work out. Here comes the first lap. Cha-ching. Alright, let's speed this dude up. Go to the music. I will love you and hug you and pet you. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-chia. I will name you Ralph. You looking at me like I'm weird? Come on. Come on out of there. Come on out. I want to question you gnomes. That's the problem with these gnomes. They're always sleeping. Oh, they're wanted. That's a notorious gnome gang. The Hell's Gnomes. And they're nothing but trouble. All right, coming up on the end of the 5th lap. Whew. Still kind of foggy out. It'll be 82 degrees today, so we better enjoy it. Looks like the last one. All right. Alright guys, that's 5 laps. Appreciate y'all coming along. We will see you tomorrow. Happy trails.